Hey there folks, welcome again back at Three Rivers Theater. Today Ryan and I are going to be going on ahead and putting back up the beautiful LED wall.
Yes. Which is the center is 6, 7?
Yeah, let's see. We're 6, so yeah, it'll be between 6 and 7. So.
6, 7. Alright,
Yeah,
so
wow.
it'll be 6, 7 right here. Woo.
Put that in the algorithm. Popular with the kids right now.
That's for the kids out there. We're taking a break to bring you this message. This part really stinks.
Truly.
You have to, yeah, we're zeroing out all of the, we thought we could just keep it where we had it last time and it would be fine, but it's not. So we're starting over, zeroing out all of the bases, right?
Yes, indeed.
And then we gotta zero out the back page, right? And that's pretty much it, folks. We're gonna shut it down, but we had a few bad panels, and otherwise, yeah. What did that take? An hour?
Yeah,
that was
about
about
like an hour, right?
Yeah,
Totally.
maybe 15 minutes.
Very, very much.
But there you go.
All right. Beautiful.